To install IPA files on your iOS device without a computer or jailbreak, start by visiting the Flex Store website. Tap Get, then use the Share option to select Add to Home Screen and confirm by tapping Add. This will add Flex Store to your home screen. Open Flex Store, navigate to Device, and tap Add Device. Allow the profile download, then open Settings, locate the downloaded profile, and install it. Once the profile is installed, your device will be successfully linked. Next, download the certificate file and unzip it, creating a folder with 3 files. Open Flex Store again, go to Device, and tap Add Certificate. Select Get Started, choose the mobile provisioning file and the P12 file from the unzipped folder, and enter the password when prompted. Once added, download the IPA file you want to install. Return to Flex Store, tap Sign IPA, select the IPA file, and wait for it to be signed. Once signed, tap Install to complete the installation. Finally, open Settings, go to General, then VP and Device Management, and trust the developer in the Enterprise App section to activate your IPA file. Your app is now ready to use without issues.